How much YouTube paid me for just 1K views. I believe you click on this video because you want to know how much YouTube pay for 1K views. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how much exactly YouTube paid me for a video of 1K views. I'm even surprised because this particular video, I wasn't expecting that much on this particular video, but YouTube paid me a lot on this particular video I'm going to talk to you about. My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to discuss YouTube growth. Anything that will help you grow on YouTube, we discuss it here on this channel. So let's get right into the video. So this is a video I'm talking about. So far, you can see this video has gained 1,733 views on YouTube with a watch time of 81.8 watch hours on YouTube, and this video gave us 23 subscribers. Now when you look at the average view duration of this particular video, you can see that the average view duration for this particular video is 2 minutes 49 seconds, which is not too good according to my standard. Most of my videos are above 2 minutes, but this particular video is quite low. Now when you also look at the reach of this video, so far this video has reached 23.7k people. That's the impression people on YouTube. And when you look at how viewers found or got this video, the browse feature played major role in this particular video views. So you can see that the browse feature gave us 41.3%, suggested video gave us 20.5%, YouTube search gave us 17%, and other YouTube features give us 7%, channel pages give us 5.6%, and others, that is the external site, gave us 8.6%. Now when you look at the external site where the views are coming from, apart from the YouTube platform, Google search give us 40%, then WhatsApp give us 8%, OpenAI.ChatGPT give us 6%, Creator Studio give us 2%, Google give us 2%. So those are the external sites that give us views. Now these are the content suggesting this particular video. So meaning that when you're making a video, make sure you optimize your title well. That is your title, your description, and your tags, so that your video can appear, your video can be searchable on YouTube. When people click on that particular keyword on YouTube, your video will be able to appear. And also YouTube can be able to suggest your video. You can see the suggested video recommendation here, or the percentage. YouTube can be able to suggest your video for viewers on YouTube. But if you don't optimize your title and your description, your video will not appear in search, and that will start affecting your video views on YouTube. I want to make sure I analyze this thing fast so that we can all end this video. Now let's look at the impression click-through rate. So you can see that click-through rate is 5.3%, but we also have the daily impression click-through rate. Look at this one. This is 22%, this is 12%, we have 11%, then we also have 0, we have 3, we have 10, we have 2%, but averagely the impression click-through rate is 5.3%, and that gave us the 1.7k views on this particular video. Now let's look at the engagement. I've already talked about it. So far this video has generated 81.8 watch hours on YouTube with the average view duration of 2 minutes 49 seconds. Now when you also look at the audience retention of this particular video, with the intro we have 47% of my viewers that watched the video within the first 30 seconds, which is good because at least almost 50%. So meaning that majority of my viewers were able to watch my first 30 seconds. And this is very important. If your first 30 seconds, you don't get a lot of people to watch the video, it will affect your video performance on YouTube. But if you are able to hook your viewers right from the first 30 seconds, they might end up watching your video from the beginning to the end. Even though you might not get all of them watching the video, but you get majority of them watching the video for longer time, and that will affect your average view duration, okay, and your watch time. Now when you also look at the audience, where my audience are watching from, or the viewers are watching from, you will notice that majority of my audience are coming from the United States. So and this I believe is going to have an effect on my revenue. So United States gave us 14.1%, Nigeria gave us 10.5%, Ethiopia gave us 3.3%, India gave us 2.8%, Kenya gave us 2.3%, plus other smaller ones that we have in the more section. Now, when you also look at the age bracket, you will notice that majority of my viewers, most 100%, is between 25 to 35 years. We don't have any viewer from this age bracket, from 35 age bracket or below 25 age bracket. They are all within 25 to 34 years. This bracket is also cool because they are viewers that have high purchasing power, and I believe that is also going to have an impact on our revenue. Now, when you look at the gender, we have female playing 43.5% and a male 56.5%. So I think this one, comparing it to my previous one that we analyzed, the female dominated, but this time the male has dominated. I'm really proud of that. Okay, then we also have subscribers. We have 18.5% that subscribe or that are subscribers, and then 81.5% are not subscribers. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I'll get 50-50, or I'll get more than 50% subscribers watching my video. Now, when you also look at the audience behavior, you will notice that 65.4% are new viewers to this channel, and casual viewers are 33.7%, and regular viewers is below 1%, meaning that I have to work on my community so that I can get loyal subscribers to watch my videos all the time. Now, let's look at the revenue aspect, because I believe that's what you have been waiting for all this while. Now, the CPM of this particular video is $18.89. Right? Remember, I told you that the majority of my viewers are coming from the United States, so meaning it's going to have an impact on my CPM. Now, when you click on the more, you will notice that apart from the 18, we also have the daily CPM. Look at this particular one. This one was $327. That is July 20th, 2025. The CPM for this particular video was $327. Look at this one too. This is $139.97. We also have $52. We also have $64, and we also have days that we don't have much. We don't have enough as CPM on our videos. Okay, so the daily CPM affects our RPM too. So now look at the RPM of this particular video. The RPM of this particular video is $8.18. I'm always happy when I see this CPM and RPM on my videos, because my first channel, like I always say, don't have that much. Some of the videos you make, we have CPM of $5, $7, $8. So because of that, you get low RPM, which is about $2 and $1 and $3. But look at this particular one, $8.18. And the final revenue for this particular video, or the estimated revenue, is $14.12. Just a video under 2K views has given me $14. So let's just multiply these views by 10 or by 5. You can see what I'm going to get at the end of the day. So I always want to share a lesson from any analytics that we make, or revenue analytics that we make on a particular video. In making your video, your niche always counts. Make sure if you want to start making YouTube videos, or you want to start YouTube, select a niche that is profitable. Some of the profitable niches are the tech videos, AI tutorial videos, finance niche, how to make money online, and all those AI stuffs have high CPM and RPM. CPM is how much advertisers are willing to pay on your particular video, and then RPM is how much YouTube is willing to pay you for every 1,000 view from the CPM that advertisers has paid on your video. So you will notice that advertisers are willing to pay $18 on this particular video, and YouTube is willing to give me $8 from this $18, which is cool. It's fair. I'm using the platform without paying anything, so at least getting this RPM from this CPM is cool. Another thing that I have learned from this particular video is that make videos that will target high CPM or CPM countries. High CPM locations are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and all those top geographic areas or developed areas are high CPM locations that give you more money on your videos. So make sure you make videos that will target such areas. Now, in posting your video, to make sure you post the videos during the active hours. Do not post a video when they are sleeping. If you post a video when they are sleeping, they will not see a video to interact with it, meaning that your video will end up in different locations. Some of the locations don't pay much, so make sure that you target areas that are high CPM areas.